Hey guys, today I'll show you how to recover deleted channel in Telegram. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step. Firstly, kindly go to any web browser of your choice. Now tap and search for Telegram support. Select the first website. As soon as your request is sent, kindly check your mail after some days and your deleted channel should be restored. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.